Welcome back. In this video, we're going to highlight for you how we have created a function so that in Sabre Production, you can warn or create an error if the external document number has already been used in a sales order, or even check your archives as well. First thing I'll do is I will go into our Sabre Production setup, and you'll notice two new fields here. So the first thing that you can do is say if the external document number is entered twice or more than twice, you could say do nothing. I don't want to be warned. It basically leaves the same out-of-the-box Business Central functionality that you have. You can indicate that you want to show a warning, which means that it'll warn you, but you can continue on entering. And then there's show error, where similar to other errors in the screen, you'd have to hit F5 or refresh your page. This second Boolean here just indicates whether or not you want to look at the sales order archives as well. As you know, when a sales order has been fully shipped and fully invoiced, it's going to move to the archive. So I do think it is good to keep this turned on so that you can see more than just your open sales orders. So first we'll have it where we're going to have the system show us a warning. So let's go into our sales order list. So here we can see for trade research, we've got PO 1234, the most common, probably customer PO used in training. So I'm going to go ahead and click on New. I'll select a customer. I won't worry about the line information or adding too much, but I am going to add my external document number, and I will make it the same 1234. So you can see up here, I do have a notification. It's letting me know that the external document number is already used for another customer in another sales order. But again, this is just a warning, so I can change the external document number if this truly is an issue, or carry on. So now I'll go back to my Sabre Production setup, and I'm going to change it from showing me a warning to showing me an error. So again, I'm going to click on New. I'll select a customer here. I'll enter in PO 1234. So now I can see that this is an error. I cannot proceed without either changing my external document number to something that's unique, or refreshing the page where it'll clear and I would add, again, something that's just totally unique. So in one case, it can just be a warning. It can bring it to your attention. And in the second case, it's a do not pass go. You must change it. Questions about Sabre Production or this cool feature, please use the contact information and get in touch.